Alright, shout out time for the parts that I've got stashed for my 6.0 build here. I'll just do a quick walkthrough. So Circle D, torque converter, and Flexplate. A lot of ARP fasteners, mains and head bolts. ATI damper down there, you can see kind of hidden. A Melling water pump. I've also got a Melling oil pump hidden somewhere in here. Got my gears, that's for a 14 bolt that I'll be swapping in. So the Posi Eaton True Track. Yukon front gears, those are 456s. Master kits for both. The master kits, the ring gear for the 14 bolt and the True Track came from Tom's Differentials. I got the Tooley trunnion upgrade for the rocker arms. These are atomic fabrication poly motor mounts. Highly suggest looking them up if you need those. Some Mickey Thompson wheels. It'll have 8 lugs in the back for the 14 bolt and then 6 in the front, so I'll be mismatched for a little bit. That's all right. I got some valve covers, new valve covers with coils on them since I'm missing coils on that motor. And then underneath that is my cam kit. It is a Tooley Stage 4 centrifugal blower cam. I got that from Michigan Motorsports though, and that came with the push rods, springs, and the cam that are all in there. So a lot of parts, some other small pieces too that I've got hidden all in these boxes and everything here, but to go on and to do the work for this motor to make it something that'll be fun and reliable to drive for years to come, hopefully. I'll document all this stuff as I do it. Some of the machining stuff, obviously I won't be able to do that. I'll go to Schmidt Automotive. They always do good work, pretty well-known company here locally, fortunately. We got somebody like that here. But definitely anything that I do, take off, put on, all that kind of stuff, I'll definitely document that in the process. So along with all the other general maintenance stuff that'll be going on with that truck, I've got some other stuff coming up. I'll be documenting that as well. So hope you guys enjoy.